A modest 2% increase is forecasted for render by digital coin price by tomorrow. Let's start things off with a brief look at today's market behavior. At this point, render has dropped 1.9% over the last day and is trading near $1.589. Let's move forward to expert forecasts. CoinDataFlow forecasts a downward move to $1.56 by July 5. That's 1.9% below the current level. CoinCodex sees render heading downward to $1.581, an estimated loss of 0.6%. CoinLore highlights the potential to reach $1.60, a rise of approximately 0.6%. Another forecast released by Digital Coin Price notes render could push toward $1.621, an estimated gain close to 2%, and to wrap up 30 rates points to $1.628 by tomorrow, a projected increase of 2.4%. That's the most profitable scenario overall. Forecasts are done. Let's explore what comes next. Let's take a closer look at what each forecast could return. Based on current forecasts, we might see changes from a decrease of 1.9% to a gain of 2.4%. That makes 30 rates the leader with the highest projected return with 2.4% gain in value by tomorrow. Considering all forecasts, you could realize between $6 and $24 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of odds, CoinCodex ranks highest with a 94.1% chance of success. Looking at the full set of 5 forecasts, I've worked out a combined scenario. The consensus projection keeps render around $1.598 with little movement. Now, let's get into the numbers. The consensus readout shows the price up about 0.5% by tomorrow. That development suggests your capital could also gain by around 0.5%. For every $1,000 put in, this scenario could point to about $5 gained. In turn, the probability of the consensus forecast holding up is around 94.4%. Now then, let's take a closer look at how analysts envision the 3-day scenario. CoinDataFlow describes the near-term path as bearish. CoinCodex believes the market will remain calm. A neutral stance is additionally reflected in CoinLore's outlook. Digital coin price sees the chart tilted toward growth. A bullish track is also suggested by 30 rates. Bringing the different analyst views together, the consensus points to render moving higher over the next 3 days. So, the majority outlook signals render could trend upward. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see how they aligned with yesterday's move. Ultimately, yesterday's candle ended at $1.612. Only a single forecast was right about the move. The most accurate forecast was made by Traders Union. Time to unpack the outcome. The market's range excluded all forecasts. Speaking of ROI, crypto predictions stood out as the single positive performer. Moving on to the performance summary. A clear way to compare how each analyst did. With 59.8% forecast probability and an 5 cents accuracy, crypto predictions achieved an ROI of 2.7%. Take a moment. Who do you think made the most accurate forecast? Let's take a moment to observe how the forecast-based returns for tomorrow align between render and other cryptocurrencies. At third position is render, while XRP keeps the lead at 1%. For now, we're comparing render with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full comparison across a larger group is now on my website. If this analysis of different analysts' performance made things clearer, tap like and subscribe for the next one. Bye, everyone.